Dear learners, this is Badal Chandra Sutradhar. Greetings and welcome to today's lesson. Today in this video lesson, we are going to learn about the user proposition at. So let's no more talk. Let's get started our today's lesson, the user proposition at. Dear learners, on the screen, you can see the user proposition at. Proposition at is used to suggest a specific time When we will speak about a specific time, we have to use preposition at before that time, such as at 10 p.m., at 5 p.m., at 6 a.m., at half past 10. So with a specific time, we have to use preposition at. I get up from bed at 6 a.m. My school starts at 8 a.m. My school breaks up at 2 p.m. Learners, preposition at is further used to suggest workplace as for primary purpose. To suggest workplace, when someone is on duty, at that time he has to use preposition at with his workplace, such as at school, at university, at college, as a student or as a teacher, at work, at the bank, at the office, at the library, at the theater. If I say at school, at university, at college, that means I study there or I teach there. At work, I am at work. That means I am on duty. I am doing my official jobs. At the bank, at office, at the library. At the library means I am at the library, means I am reading a book or I am choosing a book there. I am at the theater. That means I am watching a movie. I am watching a drama. So whenever go I go to a place for primary purpose. At that time, I have to use at school, at university, at college. That means I am reading there or I am teaching there. But if I say, but also we can use in the school, in the college, in the bank, in the library, in the theater, etc. to mean just as a place, not for primary purpose. Just as a place, we have to use in before school, before college, before bank, before library, before theater. We have to use in the school. I am in the school. That means I am not a teacher or not a student. Rather, I may be a guardian. As a guardian, I have to say that I am in the school to pay my child's tuition fee. In the college, there are four buildings in the college. There is much hot in the bank. There is much cold in the library. I met the person in the theater. That means whenever we will speak, school, college, bank, theater, library, just as a place, we have to use the preposition in. But if we go there for primary purpose, at the time we have to use at school. That means I am a teacher. At college, I am a teacher or I am a student. I am at the theater. I am at the theater means I am watching a movie. But if I say I am in the theater, that means I am not referring that I am watching movie. Rather, I went there, I go there for some other reason. So I think you have understood the difference between at school or in the school. Dear learners, preposition at is also used to suggest smaller place such as at Shantinagar, at Mirpur, at Humna. Whenever we will speak about a thana or village or a colony, that means under district, the places under district, at that time we will use preposition at. Preposition at is used to suggest smaller place. Also used, preposition at is also used to suggest an address such as at 32 Dhanmondi at Town Hall. Please meet me at Town Hall. Please send me the letter at 32 Dhanmondi. Preposition at is also used to suggest price or rate of something. To suggest rate or price of something, such as I bought this book at taka 100. I bought this dress at a low price. He bought the pen at half price. So whenever we'll speak about rate or price of a thing, we have to use preposition at. Preposition at is also used to suggest speed, such as my friend last night drove his car at 100 km per hour. My friend drove his car at full speed. So whenever we will speak about speed, at the time we have to use the preposition at 100 km per hour, at full speed, etc. Dear learners, to suggest age, preposition at is also used. To suggest age, such as his father died at age 13. Also, we can say that at the age of 80, Rabindranath Tagore died. So, at age 13, he passed his SSC examination. So, to suggest age, we also use preposition at. Preposition at is also used to suggest festivals. To suggest festivals, we use preposition at, such as at Christmas, at Easter, at Durga Puja, at Eid. So whenever you suggest a festival, at the time you have to use preposition at. At Christmas, we enjoyed ourselves a lot at Christmas. We enjoyed ourselves a lot at Easter, at Durga Puja, at Eid. Dear learners, here you can see that on Christmas Day, on Easter Sunday, on Eid Day. So whenever we will find the word day with the word festival, we have to use the preposition on, because we know that the preposition on is used before day. So whenever it is only Christmas, whenever it is only Easter, whenever it is only Eid, at that time we have to use at. But if we find Christmas Day, if we find Easter Sunday, if we find Eid Day, we have to use preposition on. We enjoyed a lot on Christmas Day, but we enjoyed a lot at Christmas. So I think you have understood. So these are the common uses of preposition at. Preposition at is used to suggest specific time. Preposition at is used to suggest workplace. Preposition at is used to suggest smaller place, to suggest an address, to suggest the rate or price of something, to suggest the speed of something, to suggest the age of someone, and to suggest festivals, etc. So these are the common use. These are the things where we use preposition at. Dear learners, also there are some other common phrases where we can use preposition at. We have to use the preposition at with these phrases, such as we say at night, we say at midnight, we say at noon, at dawn, at sunset. So in case of night, in case of noon, in case of dawn, in case of sunset, we use at. But also, you have to remember that in case of morning, we use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. In case of morning, in case of afternoon, in case of evening, we use the preposition in. But in case of night, in case of midnight, in case of noon, in case of dawn, in case of sunset, we use preposition at. Preposition at is used also with breakfast, such as at breakfast, at lunchtime, at dinner, at present, at this moment, at home. We say at home, but we say in the house. In case of house, we have to say in the house. My father is not in the house. Also, my father is not at home. In case of residence, we use at. at residence, at times. At times means sometimes. In the meaning of sometimes, we use at times. Sometimes he came here. So we can say that at times he came here. At page 20, at the weekend, also on the weekend. At the weekend is used in British English and on the weekend is used in American English. We say at the bus stop. We say at the station. We say at the airport. We say at the concert. We say at the party. We say at the door. The girl stood at the door. At reception. We say at risk, at stake. In case of risk and in case of stake, we use at risk and at stake. My life is now at risk. My life is now at stake. But in case of danger, in case of trouble, we use in. My life is now in danger. My life is now in trouble. So at war is used to suggest the circumstances or relationship between two parties or two countries, such as India and Pakistan are always at war. So at war means to suggest their relationship. Also, we can say in the war. In the war means a specific war, such as many people died in the war. Many people died in the war of liberation. So to suggest a war as general meaning, we use in the war. My father died in the war. But at war means the relationship between the circumstances between two parties or two countries. India and Pakistan are always at war. We use at rest. I am now at rest, so don't disturb me. At peace, similar to suggest relationship. India and Pakistan are never at peace. Also, we use in peace. In peace means to suggest someone's condition, mental condition. I am never in peace. Please let me die in peace. So in peace means one's condition, and at peace means the relationship between two parties or two countries. At peace, they are never at peace. That means their relation is not good. We use at the meeting. Now I am at the meeting. If someone says I am in the meeting, then the sentence will be incorrect regarding prepositions. So it will be at the meeting, at the conference. Now I am at the conference, at the wedding. I saw her at the wedding. I I was at the theater. We use at the light. The man stood at the light. At the shadow. The man stood at the shadow. That's why I could not find him. I could not identify him at the shadow. We use at best, at worst, at least, at first, at last, at first time, at second time, at last time, etc. Also use at the top. We use at the bottom. We use at the back. We say at the end. Dear learners, also we can say in the end. In the end means finally. In the meaning of finally, we have to use in the end. Finally, he came. In the end, he came. Finally, he got successful. In the end, he got successful. And at the end means at the end, at the last part of something, such as at the end of the movie, we found a new character. At the end means at the last part of something, such as at the end of the movie we found a new character. At the end of his speech he thanked all. At the end of the page you will find a picture. So at the end is used to suggest at the last part of something, and in the end means finally. So these are the very common phrases with at. at night, at midnight, at noon, at dawn, at sunset, at breakfast, at lunchtime, at dinner, at present, at this moment, at home, at residence, at times, at page 20, at the weekend, at the bus stop, at the station, at the airport, at the concert, at the party, at the door, at reception, at risk, at stake, at war, at rest, at peace, at the meeting, at the conference, at the wedding, at the theater, at the light, at the shadow, at best, at worst, at least, at first, at last, at first time, at second time, at the top, at the bottom, at the back, at the end, etc. So these are the common phrases. If you memorize, if you keep these phrases in your mind, you can certainly be correct in using preposition at. So for you, I am repeating the common things that we use, with which we use the preposition at, such as to suggest specific time, to suggest workplace, to suggest smaller place, to suggest an address, to suggest the rate or price of something, to suggest the speed of something, to suggest someone is, and to suggest festivals, we have to use preposition at. So, dear learners, I think you have understood this lesson clearly. Now, I think you will be able to use at in its correct place. And I'll be very pleased if my video come into your benefit. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.